Okay, next, we got Friendzone. I've been, no, we not listen to that game. But no, buddy. I've been wanting to listen to this because I don't know the artist or nothing, but it should been on my For You. It been on my For You page, so let's get it, bro. Hold on, what? Biggest influence pool party? Like, it can't be the biggest party if I wasn't there, bro. Generally, bro. This nigga better be tough, bro, because he's been all over my feed, bro, on YouTube. Is it two people? Nah, I'm fucking with the visuals though. Run that back. I'm fucking with the visuals though. Nah, this has potential to be comp. I can already feel it. Okay, it's not what I was expecting, but I mean, okay. It's not in English either, I think. Yeah, this is not English. Jeez. Okay. Alright. Okay. Can we get English CC going, bro? Yeah, can we get English? English, please. English. Hey, wait. Oh shit. That's the language I speak, yo. I can't read it though. Wait, where's the English? There you go. Okay, I'm gonna listen to it. One without the English, I can actually vibe to it, and one actually know what he's saying. Whoever edited this did their big one. I ain't gonna lie, it's nice to look at. That sounds good though. No, this is actually hard. Like I would actually listen to this not knowing what he's saying, but it's vibey though. Hey. Fuck. Okay, now rerun with the lyrics on. That was hard though. This is tough. The beat tough. He's tough. This is overall tough.
Glaze, nigga. Come on, bro. Even the way you're talking about the niggas glaze. Relax. Take a breath. All right, take a slow, deep breath, bro.
Whenever he calls me, I put it in. I don't lie, bro. Off that first lyric alone, maybe I don't want to continue further. She sent me to jail? Yeah, fuck no, bro. I'm just vibe to it without the lyrics. When I get my food, I'm about to listen to this in the car. I don't care. If it's on Apple. Friendzone. Friendzone. Dude, I wish I could make music this good, bro. Bro, oh my lord. Maybe I'll start making singing type music instead of trying to rap. But I got no vocals, bro, and I think I'm tune deaf, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Might be good. I might not be musically inclined. Friendzone. I ain't gonna lie, bro. First time in channel history, I might give this shit a fucking 9, bro. It's getting a 9 for me, gang. It's a 9 for me, bro. This shit is fire. Oh my lord. Oh my goodness, that shit is tough.